Sorry.
Come on.
I don't know if I.
Yeah, you do.
No.
Yes, you do.
So Darian
Come
and Tommy
on.
are the only
Just
ones.
one little thing.
Hairs on their ass. Are you ready?
Mhm.
And I'm just a widow guy. And I
You like that?
No, like a little song. Just a little one.
Just a little one.
It would have been face shots. It probably would
Put
have been.
the grill on there and start burning that mold off.
So tune.
Yeah, the grill's gonna fit with a bag of bugs.
Sorry.
I don't like the mold, Marion.
I've been videoing this whole time. So.
That worked. God, you're just itching for a fight, huh? 6 in the morning and I'm on 3 frogs.
I'm ready, bro.
On the fire part?
Yeah.
I'm gonna train you for Seabird tonight. You're gonna get a couple beers.
Christy, I'm taking a video.
Oh, don't video. Ashley.
Why not?
Well,
You look pretty, Christy.
oh, Ashley, don't be ridiculous.
Don't be ridiculous.
That's a ground baby. You don't mess with that shit.
Do something,
But
Darian.
we stop
Do
when I
something,
stop.
poodle.
Do something
We stop when I'm
interesting.
ready. What? We'll go, but we're stopping when I'm
Did I
ready.
get you in the chin?
There, that's all he's got for
Yeah,
interest.
you got me right
Your
here.
hands in his pants.
I can feel it.
On your chin?
No, you got me right here.
Oh.
I got him in the chin though.
Uh-oh. Matt's gonna do something interesting.
Give me your hat.
Don't put it in the fire. Don't put it in the fire.
That's gonna get beat up nice and interesting.
Don't hurt Matt. Watch out. Move the skateboard.
Joe, he's just a widow guy.
Oh.
Just a little guy.
I'm just a widow guy. I don't want no problems.
Oh.
What are you doing, Matt?
He
6
doesn't
in the
know.
morning and
Matt's a
I'm on 3
wrestler.
frogs.
He's not a boxer.
I'm a wrestler too.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
I know how that one feels. Oh, just quit. Just quit.
Oh. Take him down, Matt.
At least get a couple.
Take him down, Matt.
Don't sit there and take it.
Those rib
ones kill me every time. He got me.
Does it hurt, Matt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not gonna beat her on the bush. I was like, fuck that. Let's see the train die for the dick. Let's see the battle wins. We got it. We got a fisticle. Oh, another fisticle. I don't know what I got.
Good job, Matt.
This one was fucking close though. Yeah, I got
one. I was just waiting for him because I was like this and I swung and then he got me right
Matt, I'm
here.
not gonna lie, you did give me the best out of everyone so far.
It hurt?
Once right there.
Kidney shot. Good job, Matt. That's how we roll. Matt's the only one that wanted to take on the big guy last night anyway.
I think he pushed my hand.
6 in the morning and I'm on 3 frogs.
Somebody was holding me back.
Give me
Go
face
get
shot.
Brandon. Go get Brandon.
Against
Let's
two.
get dialed in on some fucking.
No, don't
bare
hurt
knuckles.
Brandon.
You want to
Get Brandon.
Why?
Fucking Justin,
Well,
me and
'cause he
Justin
just
one
get
night, we
under
were
it
gonna,
there, and no one else
we were
wanted to
gonna
do
at
it.
his house. You get on your
Trying to
knees
get
and
like
you put one hand
Jeremy
on
to do
his
it,
back.
you want to do it.
You just fucking swing and the first person to hit the ground like fall over.
I was so tense.
To
You
the
just-
face?
Yeah, just straight bare knuckle to the face.
Dude, I fucking knocked out Justin and Jimmy.
I remember the day you fucking boxed me. I had such a fat reach on you, but I just backed up. You got me into the street.
We boxed?
At Justin's house, I was driving.
Tune it.
I remember doing
Yeah,
a
nice
spinning
and
back fist to Jimmy Wilson's
Oh,
face.
you were like, fuck, fuck.
I just,
Wow,
swung
you
in,
just fucking
and I
knocked
just
him?
switched to south punch, right, boom, boom, and hit him, and he was all boom, and just fell to the ground. Yeah, and then Justin Wilson fell and I was just like,
I'm videoing. Do something interesting. Beatbox for me. I already have one. Do a good one.
What?
Beatboxing. Please. I love like hearing it.
I don't know how to beatbox.
Yeah, you do. You're a fucking liar.
Maybe later.
Come on.
Count me too late, I'm kind of tired now. I'm coming down.
Come on.
Buy me some more weed and then.
Come on.
The fuck off me.
Ow! Ow!
Please.
I thought your mom was gonna make us burgers. Stop recording. Oh, there we are. There we are. Starting to make burgers now? Good.
why are you pushing away?
Whenever Nicole's yesterday, he was without me.
Bobby and Hunter were at Nicole.
Yeah.
Why were they over there?
Fuck.
Yeah, that's not happening probably.
Probably. Hunter? Welch?
Yeah.
She told me that they were done.
They are, but Nicole swears that she doesn't want them back together. But I already know.
Oh no, it was
They're
hella
gonna
weird
get
because I
back
went over
together?
there and like
I don't think so.
Hunter pulled me aside. He was like, "Are you trying to get at my girl?" I'm like, "Shut
What
the
the
fuck."
fuck?
I'm like, "Shut the fuck up, dude."
Tell me if he tries to get hard with you, I'll fight him for any reason I can.
Dude, no, but it's all stupid. I'm like, "Shut the fuck up. I'm just trying to bring her to the party because we're friends, you retard." I don't know, but he thinks he's like hella cool because he like took her to prom.
What does he think about you?
I don't care. I hear his name come out. If I hear my name come out of his mouth in bad terms, I'll fight him.
Come on, Jesus, you ready? Yeah?
You're fucking
Spin it, Poodle. Can you spin it so that moldy side gets in the fire?
As soon as you spin it, watch the other side will flare up, huh?
You want me to go get you tongs? No, don't touch good sitting. I'll get tongs. I'll get you tongs.
The cool thing to do is just grab it with your hand.
You bit, dude.
definitely
Stop videotaping.
No.
coolest, but the funniest. So you can do it.
I got tortured all day. You could be tortured a little bit.
I didn't torture you at all.
You didn't help me.
What?
You didn't help me.
It's because you still, to this day, wear that same bikini that they always take off
I
every
don't have
day.
another one. My mom won't buy me anymore.
Okay, but you don't need to be wearing it if you're not going to go swimming.
You're gonna take them off and lose them.
Ew.
It's golden.
Okay, I'll stop. It's a good idea. But then they'll push me in with all my clothes on. Christy, sing me a song.
6 in the morning.
Really?
Yes, really.
Speed 6, speed.
Come here, Poodle.
Is that all you have to say anywhere you go?
What the fuck? Oh, look at you, money, sexy body.
Can I touch it?
I touch.
Come here, Dylan. Come here.
Get a wiener.
You do what I tell you, Dylan. Come here.
Ooh,
Now.
hard.
Square up then, right here. Come here.
I swear up.
He has long arms. Like if
He does have long
you were
arms.
muscular, or like if you got
Look at how
yoked.
long his arms are.
If
He
you
can
were-
touch his knees with his fingers just standing there.
Look at it.
Wait, I want to see your
legs.
That was reach for your nipple.
Oh my God, Mom.
I know.
My arms
He's
are
got
on
fucking
too.
6 inches on you.
It's probably gonna reach on me.
Yeah.
Dylan, I say we can go to the creek and you straight fucking.
That's a fucking
You can
Jacob
fuck
Dimmock.
people up.
No,
Nobody,
they're gonna do
nobody
fucking
could get
up your
inside.
backs or something.
I don't know, Chrissy. I have pretty long
Dylan,
arms.
do you realize if
I
you
think
were
they're
to
longer,
get, like,
actually.
good at fighting like 6 and
Really?
got yoked,
You're doing anything.
if you were fight just like boom, boom, boom.
You can knock them out when they think they weren't even in your reach. You just fucking what the fuck?
I know, just like if they were to rush you, then you don't just take a drop set, just boom. Catch you by the chin, walk up.
I did take
Like you're gonna have a we're just having a cool fight. We're redneck.
Where's Stogies?
Here.
Oh, you still got that pad.
Oh, wait. Watch. Like. Eat cigarette.
It's hell out of here.
How about you try? It's hella hard, dude. About you.
I had it pretty well tuned by ear last night, but someone was. Oh, somebody was fucking with that. Was fucking
Whoa, don't ruin it. I'll hand it to you gingerly.
Gingerly.
Ginger.
Wait, just get the filter so you don't break it.
Look at y'all look gross. You saw the whole bag in there?
No.
Actually,
Yeah. How do
download
I do it?
a,
You got a better
guitar
plan
tuner
there,
on your
fucking
phone.
Einstein.
You just
Is it free?
Match
I don't know, try.
Burn your fucking
Let me see it. I'll find it.